The first step in building a Hispano Suiza is creating the parts that make it up. On one hand, the monocoque and the car body are made of carbon fiber, and on the other hand, the rest of the parts are created in aluminium. When all the parts arrive in the atelier, the mechanics start with a pre-assembly. During this phase, we make sure that all the pieces fit correctly, adjusting and perfecting all the components by hand. Once we check that everything fits perfectly, it is disassembled again and the exterior parts are sent to be painted. Each piece is hand-painted individually. The process, technique, and materials used will depend on the taste and preference of each kind. While the exterior parts are being painted, we work on the electrical installation and the assembly of the powertrain system, consisting of the battery, inverters, and motors. Afterwards, the team oversees the installation of the suspensions and the cooling system, which will refrigerate the entire vehicle. When the painted pieces return to their atelier, the mechanics proceed to reassemble all the exterior parts. In the meantime, a team in charge of all the vehicle's fabrics come to our facilities to carry out the upholstery of the interior pieces. When these parts are finished, they are installed in a new Hispano Suiza. Lastly, all the final details that may be placed on the outside are finished, and then the only thing left to do is to go for a drive and enjoy.